Hi, here's my Tonka dump truck collection. There's a large dump truck full of rocks, and a medium dump truck, and a small dump truck full of rocks. Now it's time to dump the rocks. Make a construction site. There's a large dump truck. And then let's dump the rocks in a medium dump truck. Here we go. There's a small dump truck. Dump. Now all the dump trucks are empty. Let's have the little dump truck drive over the rock piles. Last, we bury the little dump truck. Thanks for watching and have a great day.